Now I invite our next speaker to take over the screen and continue this insightful discussion. Our next speaker is Sayyida Ifra Hussain from the Frontier Model School, Peshawar.
Imagine a world where scientific collaborations leads to healthier lives for all, where a child's chance of survival does not depend on where they're born, where preventable diseases do not become death sentences due to poverty, distance, or discrimination. First, I want to thank Hamdard Foundation Pakistan for letting me share my thoughts with you on 34th International Children's Health Conference. The global landscape reveals steep inequalities. While some nations debate advancements in medical technologies, others struggle to provide clean water, basic vaccinations, or trained healthcare workers. According to WHO, about 4 billion people still lack access to essential healthcare services. But this is not due to lack of medical knowledge, but by failures in health systems, policies, and equity. Throughout history, humanity has continuously struggled to protect itself from disease and suffering. From the discovery of fire to the age of modern technology and scientific innovations, human beings have always worked to make life safer and healthier. Health and science are deeply interconnected. Without health, human progress would slow down. When communities trust science and support medical researches, societies become stronger and more resilient. When Nelson Mandela said, "Health cannot be a question of income, it's a human right," he challenged the world. But in many communities where basic healthcare is unavailable, that challenge remains unanswered. Like in many regions of Pakistan, the regions still get targeted for water scarcity and malnutrition. According to UNICEF, about 40% Pakistani children begin their lives with stunted growth or compromised immune systems. Scientists and researchers dedicate their lives discovering vaccines, developing medicines so that humanity can survive. But the responsibility does not lie with them alone. Each of us must play our part by adapting a healthier lifestyle. It requires compassion, the understanding that every life has an equal value, and awareness. Even the groundbreaking discoveries become useless if there is no awareness among people. Malala Yousafzai's experience reinforces the idea that health should be a universal human right. Health and dignity should be given to everyone, not just the privileged. Thank you.
Thank you, Ifra, for sharing your thoughts with us.